Pradhan Mantri Vaya Vandana Yojana is a retirement benefit plan which offers guaranteed return on investment. The scheme is administered by Life Insurance Corporation of India. So, without further ado, let's look at the Pradhan Mantri Vaya Vandana Yojana. And before we start, I will request you to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also my blog, which is wealthexpeaks.in, so you get the latest notification and update as soon as a video or a blog goes live. Pradhan Mantri Vaya Vandana Yojana is a social security scheme launched by the government to provide financial security to the senior citizens. The scheme offers guaranteed return to the senior citizens in form of regular pension. The falling rate of interest in banks is a major cause of worry for the senior citizens. Pradhan Mantri Vaya Vandana Yojana aims to address the concerns of the senior citizens by offering reasonable return on their deposits. Let's take a detailed look into the policy and understand the benefits offered under the scheme. Pradhan Mantri Vaya Vandana Yojana is extended till 31st of March 2023. Earlier the scheme was available only till 31st of March 2020 and offered slightly higher returns as compared to the current scheme. Individuals aged 60 years or above are eligible to invest in the scheme. Scheme offers interest rate of 7.4% on investment made till 31st of March 2021. Rate of interest will be reset at the beginning of every financial year, that is 1st of April, for fresh investments. The interest rate offered at the time of purchasing the policy is guaranteed for the entire tenure of the policy. Policy tenure is for 10 years. Policy is solely administered by the Life Insurance Corporation of India. Maximum pension available under the scheme is of Rs 9,250 per month and minimum pension available is 1,000 rupees per month. Minimum investment requirement under the scheme is fixed at Rs 1,56,658 and maximum investment allowed under the scheme is of 15 lakh rupees. Now we will look at some of the other important aspects of the scheme. Let's begin with eligibility. Individuals aged 60 years or above are eligible to invest in the scheme. However, no upper age limit is set for investment. Purchase of policy. Senior citizens may invest in the scheme online via LIC portal or in the offline mode by visiting the nearest LIC branch office. Request may also be raised online for any of the LIC executive to assist you with the investment. Now we come to payment of purchase price. Payment has to be made in lump sum. Purchase price may be paid online via NEFT or RTGS transfer. Offline payment may be made through check. Disbursement of pension. Pension is paid on monthly, quarterly, semi-annually or annually basis as per the mode opted by the policyholder. Pension is directly credited in the designated bank account of the policyholder. Tax implications. Tax deduction is not available on investment in Vaya Vandana Yojana. Pension amount is taxable clubbed with other income sources. Income above the threshold limit is taxable. Now we come to the most important aspect of the Pradhan Mantri Vaya Vandana Yojana, as we take a detailed look at the purchase price, pension amount and the mode of pension under the scheme. This will help you understand the key aspect of the scheme. As shown in the chart, opting for annual pension appears to be beneficial. However, one should understand and choose the interval of pension best suited to them. Let's quickly run down the benefits under the Vaya Vandana Yojana. Guaranteed pension to the individual during the policy tenure of 10 years. Interest rate offered under the scheme is comparatively higher than the return on bank fixed deposits. On unfortunate demise of the policyholder, the purchase price will be refunded to the beneficiary or the nominee. On successful completion of the policy term, the purchase price along with final pension installment will be paid back to the policyholder. loan against the policy is also available post completion of 3 years of the policy. Maximum loan amount which may be granted is 75% of the purchase price. Loan sanctioned till 30th April 2021 will draw an interest of 9.5%. The policy tenure is for 10 years. However, under exceptional circumstances, surrender of policy may be permitted in case of treatment of critical illness suffered by self or by the spouse. Now that we have discussed everything about the Pradhan Mantri Vaya Vandana Yojana, let's analyze it in terms of investment. The policy offers guaranteed rate of return on investment for the entire policy tenure. Under current scenario, with falling rate of interest in bank deposits and uncertainty surrounding the capital market, Vaya Vandana Yojana appears to be a secure option. The rate of return is marginally above the inflation rate, which may not be sufficient in the long run. Even liquidity is an issue under the scheme, as withdrawal is possible only under the exceptional scenario. However, return offered on the scheme is higher compared to other risk-free instruments. So, senior citizens may consider investing in the Vaya Vandana Yojana while planning for their retirement. Senior citizens also need to diversify their funds between Vaya Vandana Yojana, Senior Citizens Savings Scheme, bonds, and time deposits in order to have better risk to reward ratio in their portfolio. With this, we come to the end of this video. I hope you found this video to be informative. In case you found this channel as well as this video to be helpful, I will request you to subscribe to my YouTube channel and at the same time share this channel among your network, as this will really help the channel to grow. Apart from this, I will also like to mention that I also have a blog which is known as wealthexspeaks.in, where I have written an article on this topic, which is the Vaya Vandana Yojana. And in case there are any more inputs and updates, I will be doing it on my blog itself. So it's a good idea to subscribe to my YouTube channel as well as my blog for latest update related to personal finance, HR, and tech. That's it from my side. Have a great day. This is Amritesh signing off. Thank you. Thanks for watching.